We are looking at the Delasoft 20-gram hair powder wax today, but we're not just reviewing a styling product. We're analyzing a high-velocity, B2B cash flow engine built specifically for professional salons and distributors. I am John, founder of Delasoft. Let's get right into the numbers.
5,000. That is the exact minimum order quantity we are executing on today. This isn't small scale. This 5,000 unit factory level order instantly changes the financial stakes for your business. Why? Because it drives your manufacturing cost per unit down to the absolute floor. We're completely wiping out those massive inventory barriers that usually stop independent shops and global distributors from owning their very own product lines.
Section 1. The Salon Cash Flow Engine, multiplying front desk revenue.
Let's look at your daily revenue reality. If you're relying on service revenue alone, you hit a hard ceiling. It's just simple math based on the hours in your day, right? But you pair that service with hair powder retail, and that ceiling absolutely shatters. Styling powders move faster than literally anything else at the front desk. You are turning a standard haircut into a high-margin double revenue event instantly.
Exactly. It's the ultimate front desk cash multiplier. The takeaway here is incredibly simple. High-velocity, front desk retail is the absolute fastest way to scale a barbershop's daily turnover. You're already getting the foot traffic, so leverage it to multiply your cash flow. And the best part? 0 extra service hours required.
Section 2. The 5,000 MOQ Private Label Advantage. Launch your exclusive brand.
The financial contrast here is just stark. Think about it. Pushing expensive global brands means high upfront costs and painfully low margins for you. You're doing the heavy lifting, they take the cut. But by white labeling the Delasoft formula under your own exclusive brand, you are achieving maximum margin on every single unit sold.
Dominate your market. Own your brand. This 5,000 unit scale strategy empowers distributors and large salon networks to completely lock down their local markets. You have zero reliance on outside brands dictating your profit margins. You own the brand, you set the exact price, and you capture all the upside.
Moving to Section 3. Professional Performance and Packaging. Engineered for the workstation. Now, this financial model only works if the product is totally flawless and handles the extreme high-frequency demands of a professional floor. These are the non-negotiable performance traits guaranteeing top-tier execution, instant volume and lift, an immediate matte finish, zero stickiness, an unbreakable all-day hold, and it's all delivered in a premium 20-gram compact container.
And that packaging matters. It's engineered to maximize workstation efficiency and trigger over-the-counter impulse buys. This sleek 20-gram container isn't just about looking good. It is a precision commercial tool. It's specifically designed to sit perfectly on a crowded station, allow for rapid application by the barber, and most importantly, trigger fast retail sales right at the checkout counter.
Section 4. Maximum Retail Markups. Unbeatable Unit Economics.
This is the climax of the pitch. We are looking at the brutal, bottom-line financial reality of massive retail markups, specifically targeted at our European and UK distributors. The unit economics here are unbeatable. When you leverage Delasoft's private label at factory scale, your manufacturing cost drops to the absolute floor. Yet your retail price in the UK and EU remains strictly premium. That exact formula translates directly into massive profit margins for your business.
Unbeatable profit margins per jar. This margin matrix guarantees maximum profit per single jar sold. We are completely stripping away the heavy overhead and the wholesale markups of those boutique brands. What's left? Nothing but pure, unadulterated profit for the shop owner and the distributor.
The financial model is proven, and the market is wide open. Are you ready to launch your exclusive brand and multiply your cash flow? It's time to step up. Leverage the 5,000 unit factory scale and take absolute control of your retail revenue today. Are you going to keep building someone else's brand? Or is it time to launch your own and keep all the profits for yourself?